We are Tom, Polly and Aaron. Together we're travelling the world in our 4x4 Landcruisers. As always, a huge thank you to our supporters on patreon.com/overlandtrail. Alright mate.
Hello.
Looks like you've had a bit of an issue there.
Yes, I have had a bit of an issue. So I was sleeping over here, nice little area, and then sprinklers came on and I got very wet. Well, I didn't personally get wet, but the swag and the stretcher did. So now I am trying to dry it in the lovely Turkish sun, and it's not doing a very good job at the moment.
So can we clarify that? Sprinklers came on. Not the
Sprinklers.
rain.
No,
Not
sprinklers.
a river.
Sprinklers.
But you have been defeated by some sprinklers.
I've been defeated by many things this trip, and the sprinklers is the most recent in a series of many failures.
So I'm just doing my morning checks here. We do this, well, should do it once every day really, but realistically ends up being a couple of times a week. Check the coolant level. Has gone down a little bit because where it's been getting very hot lately, some of it's just gone over into the expansion tank here, but honestly that's fine. I checked the oil as well. We did an oil change just a week or so ago, so this should be absolutely fine. Showing halfway up the dipstick there. If you can see, lovely fresh golden oil. We went about, what, 8,000 miles between oil changes on the last one, which is probably a little bit too much, but with these long running, big long journeys we're doing, it's not too bad. And then the last thing I check, this is particularly important when we're off-road or down these kind of dusty tracks, is the air filter. Again, I did change this a couple of weeks ago, so it shouldn't be too bad. A little bit of leaves and bugs in there, but generally all good. So we're ready for our drive now. We've got a few big days ahead of us, about 1,500 kilometers to travel in the next little stint. So yeah, car's all ready to go, as always. Over the next 3 days, we would continue our journey east, passing first through the famed Cappadocia, before heading onwards to the Euphrates River and the borders of Iraq and Syria.
We're saying this road looks pretty Middle Eastern, to be honest. The further east we've got, the more sort of like desolate, open space, sandy sort of landscapes we see.
Yeah, definitely. But we're really enjoying the more eastern part of the city. Everyone seems much more friendlier than other parts that we've been to. Very helpful. Look